Well, hello everyone. Today we have already finished factorization and we are moving ahead with another topic of class 8, that is highest common factor and lowest common multiple of algebraic expression. Today we are going to study how to find the highest common factor of the given algebraic expression and how to find out the lowest common multiple of the given algebraic expression. So let us begin with the topic and let us begin with the exercise. Okay, let me explain this question number 2 today. In question number 2a, the heading of for this is find the HCF, highest common factor of the given algebraic expression. So in question number 2a, we have 4a minus 8 and a minus 2. And we have to find out the highest common factor between these two algebraic expressions. Let us start solving this first expression. We can write first expression exp, the short form, then equal to sign, and let us write it for a minus 8. To find out the highest common factor and the lowest common multiple, what we have to do is we have to follow the same rules of factorization. We have to write this expression in product form. Then only we can find out its highest common factor and lowest common multiple. So what do you see in between these two terms? 4 is common. 8 is 4 multiplied by 2. This is 4. So 4 is common between these two terms. I'll take it as a common, and the remaining factors I'll write inside the bracket. This 8 has 4 and 2 in it. 4 is already out, then 2 will remain inside bracket. When you see, when you multiply 4 into a, the previous result will come. 4 into minus 2, the previous result will come. Now this is the factor form for the first expression. Similarly, second expression, let us solve second expression. In second expression, what do we see? We have a minus 2. That cannot be factorized. So we can put a bracket sign and make a minus 2 as a factor of a minus 2. 1 will be there always as a factor. Now HCF, highest common factor, will be the product of the common factors. So what is common between this first expression and second expression? That we will write as its HCF. So this is how question number 2a is solved. Now moving ahead to another question, question number E. Question number E. Let us solve that. In question number 2e, the question given over there is 3 multiplied to x minus y whole square and 5 multiplied to x square minus 2xy plus y square. Now let us write the first expression. First expression, we have 3 multiplied by a minus 2 whole square. 3 is itself a prime number. There is no other factor of 3. Only 1 can be the factor of 3. X minus y whole square can be written like x minus y into x minus y. Don't use that expanded formula over here. We need to write the product formula only. So the first expression is solved. Now the second expression. In second expression we have 5 multiplied by x square minus 2xy plus y square. Y squared. Yes. So this is it. Now 5 itself is a prime number. There is no other factor of 5. So it will be same to same. And we know this a square minus 2ab plus b square, it is in formula. So that is why we can write for this expression x minus y whole square. At last in the product form we can write it 5 multiplied by x minus y 2 times. Now the second expression is in its product form. Now we need to find common between the first expression, product of first expression, and the product of second expression. That is our highest common factor. So what is common? Let us find 3, 5 no common, x minus y common. Common one we need to write. Again we need to check if there is any other common, that also we need to copy down. So another expression, another factor over there, product is x minus y that we will copy down again in HCF. So HCF is the product of the common factors. So in this way question number 2E is also solved. Now moving down to another question now. Let us do another question from LCM. Find the LCM. From the down one picture, let us solve some question and find out the LCM. Okay, let us do question number 2A first from LCM. The first expression over there given is, directly I am writing first expression. The question is given above already. First expression is 4x minus 20. Let us solve it. Find out common between these two. 20 is the product of 4 and 5. So 4 is present in 20, 4 is present in the first term also. So 4 is common between them. Remaining factors we will put inside. Now let us go to the second expression. Second expression, we see 6x minus 30. So in 30 we know 6 is present over there, 6 multiplied by 5. So we may take 6 as common between 6x and 30, and the remaining factors let us write inside the remaining terms, let us write inside the bracket. Now further we have to see, yes, what is the LCM. LCM means the common factors as well as the product of remaining factors. So here we see 4. 4 can be more factorized over here. That is 2 multiplied by 2. Then after this remaining is x minus 5. Can be written like this. Further this 6 can be also factorized into 2 into 3. The numbers can be factorized in its prime form, x minus 5. Now let us find between these two expression, two product form, what is common. I'll do HCF also for you, and then after I'll go for LCM. So HCF means only the common one. So 2 over here, 2 over here also. First expression and second expression. In both we have 2 as common. First expression we have x minus 5, second expression also we have x minus 5. So the HCF for the given expression 4x minus 20 and 6x minus 30 is 2 multiplied by x minus 5. Moving to LCM. LCM, what do we see? LCM, what do we see over here? Common one we have to take, same like that, x minus 5. And the remaining factors also we have to write. What are the remaining factors over here? 2 is still left, that is also multiplied over here. So that in the second expression 3 is left, that will be also multiplied. So the common factor into rest factors, that will be the product of the LCM. Numbers can be multiplied. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 multiplied by x minus 5 is our lowest common multiple. Let us do another question from question number 2. Let us see another number. Question number 2e. 2e. Question number 2e. The question is given x square plus 3xy, first expression, and second expression is x square plus xy minus 6y square. So first expression I'm gonna write it in product form, x square plus 3xy. Let me take common, both have x in it, so let us take x as a common. The leftovers will be inside the bracket, that is 3x in the x in the first term and 3y in the second term. Similarly, second expression, let us see second expression. Second expression we have x square plus xy minus 6y square. In this there is no common in three terms, it is in form of ax square plus bx plus c. So we will use first into last method. First into last method. If you multiply first into last, how much will come? Minus 6x square y square, in which this minus indicates the middle term should come by subtracting. It means by subtracting plus xy should come, and by multiplying this whole term minus 6x square y square should come. So what that number be? Everybody knows what that number be. So that number will be 3xy minus 2xy. After subtracting it is coming xy. When we multiply plus into minus, minus 3 2s are 6, xy into xy, x square y square. Now middle term is already splitted. Now I have to copy down the last term. Now let us take common between these two first two terms and last two terms. If we take common between first two terms, x is common. What will be left? X plus in this side 3y. In these two terms, what do you see? Minus 2 is common. 6 is the multiple of 2 and 3, and y is also common over here. 1y is common. And what will be left after taking this 2y as a common? X will be left. That should be written inside bracket. Minus converts into plus as bracket is used and minus in front. So that is why now 2 minus into plus minus 2 3s are 6, y into y gives us y square. Now between these two terms, let us find out what is common. So we see x plus 3y is common. Now the remaining terms, that is x and minus 2y, will be written in another bracket, x minus 2y. So this is the product form for the expression x square plus xy minus 6y square. Now moving ahead to find LCM as per the question. LCM, our first task is to find common between them. First expression products and the second expression products. So x plus 3y is common between them. x plus 3y, x plus 3y. Now the remaining factors should be also written. What that is x, and another what, that is x minus 2y. So this is going to be the LCM for the given expression question number 2. You can arrange this x, you can write in front, and other products you can write after that. X plus 3y, x minus 2y. This is how we solve the given expression and find out its product form, factorization form, and take common and remaining factors and find out the LCM. Okay, moving ahead now towards another question. One more question I'll be explaining. After that, I'll wrap it up. Okay, now moving ahead to the next question from question number 2. Question number 2, let me do question number 2h. First expression over here is 2h. This one. First expression is 2x square minus x minus 3. Minus x minus 3. Now what do you see over here? It is in form of ax square minus bx minus c. So we will do first into last method to do to find factorization. So plus into minus, minus 2 3s are 6x square. This minus indicates that the middle term should come after subtracting, and this minus 6x square should come by multiplying the middle splitted terms. So what that will be, let us see that will be minus 3x plus 2x. If you multiply minus into plus, it comes minus 3x into 2x, 6x square. By multiplying the result that we multiply first into last, that is coming, and by subtracting minus 3x plus 2x, when you subtract, it will come minus x. So we are done for that. Splitted the middle term. Now take common. Between this x is common. What is left? 2x minus 3. In between these two, nothing is common. Then 1 is always common in every terms. So that is why 1 I'll take as common, and both the terms I'll write inside the bracket. So in both the terms now, 2x minus 3 is common. Write it at one place in a bracket, and the left one should be written in another bracket in product form. So the first expression is found in product form. Now second expression, turn of second expression. Second expression, we have 4x square minus 9. This we are having only for two terms, that is why we need to see if any common is there. If no common, we have to break it down, arrange it in form of a square minus b square. That is 4 converted into 2. X is already present over there in its square form, so I can write 4x square in form of 2x whole square, minus again 9 can be transformed into 3 square. Now I got this a and this b in its square form. So if I got this in square form, I can use the formula a square minus b square, that is equal to a plus b and a minus b in product form. So let me write it, a plus b. A is 2x and b is 3. Again a minus b. A is 2x and b is 3. Now this is the product form for 4x square minus 9. In between first expression and second expression, we have to find common now, and the remaining factors also will multiply and LCM will itself come. Okay, in between this first expression, this is product form. Second expression, product form. What is common? 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 is common. Let us take that. After that, see for other common terms, no common terms. Then remaining factor we can write, that is x plus 1. And in second expression ko product ma, we have 2x plus 3. So This is gonna be our LCM for the given expression 2x square minus x minus 3 and 4x square minus 9. So that's all for today. In other video I'll explain other questions. Have a nice day.